Do you often open your trades and actually lose money because you don't know how to properly analyze markets, or you're simply trying to choose best strategy because none of the existing ones works for you? If so, well, watch this video, because here I will show you profitable trading strategy with my favorite broker, Pocket Options. And here's what you will see: how to properly set up correct markets and general trade setups, how to use on-chain channels for proper trade executions, and the best risk management tools. And by the way, my name is Jānis Dabos. I have more than 15 years of market and trading experience, and I have created dozens and dozens of trading strategies. And actually, this is one of my top favorite trading strategies. But without further ado, let's roll on and let's start to trade. Okay, now we are into our trading platform, and now we could actually go to more specific points how to actually trade. So in general, what we will have here now is one of the major currency pairs, in this case GBP USD, but we might also use different major FX pairs. We have Japanese candlesticks, and now we could actually start and set up our trade indicators. So we will have many trade indicators, but you understand why and how I am setting them up. So let's start. First indicator will be stochastic indicator, which is great for overbought, oversold indicators. So this is duration for price, temperature, and markets. Now let's go to second indicator. Second indicator is Williams percentage R. Name it how you like it, but it's how it pronounces. And third indicator is zigzag indicator. So quite a lot of indicators, but now at the end we will finish with the most important one, which is on-chain channels. So now we have on-chain channels, and here is how it looks. It looks slightly overwhelming, but don't be afraid. This is specifically done for this strategy, and actually it's way easier than it looks. So the thing is that we will mainly use on-chain channels, and this will be our primary tool, and rest of the indicators will be simply to gauge market temperature and market sentiment. So they will be used as a secondary indicators, which will give us a big picture, but 80% of results will be from on-chain channels themselves. Okay, let's slightly zoom in and I will tell you general idea. There are two ways how we could actually use on-chain channels. It's simply when prices are rebounding their general brackets, or whether they are closing above or below middle line. So, and this is the way we will trade. We will see whether we will have some retracement from support and resistance lines. This is a resistance line, this is support lines, or they will move above or below the trend line. This will be our general idea, and this is how we're going to trade. But before we start to trade, here's one important element I want to add. If you want to have best information on trading, best trade analysis, live trade setups, detailed explanation how different strategies work, and trading signals for different markets, timeframes, and trading approaches, join my Telegram channel, because there you will see all comprehensive trading information and precise trade signals for your desired trading strategy. And remember, this is all for free, so all you have to do is visit the link below the video, join me, and we could start to trade there as well. So join me there, and now let's continue. Okay, now we are trading Swiss franc against Japanese yen. We will risk 200, trade duration will be 1 minute, and here we will go short because we are below the trend line, prices are declining, and all indicators are confirming bearishness. But let's see how this will work out. Okay, we are getting lower, and so far so good, but you never know with these short-term moves, because we could have good trades for 55 seconds and then it might reverse. Let's see whether this will be the case or not. For now, it's tense. Let's see how this will go and how this will look. I really cannot say much about it for now. 10 seconds. Let's hope it wouldn't be ruined in last 10 seconds. It will be really painful now. Now, where are we going now? 3, 2, 1. $176 of profit. So far so good. Traders, we have interesting situation in GBP USD pair. So I risked $200 for 1 minute, and Why I did that? Because we just closed below middle line with on-chain channels and we are at crossroads here. So we might have good price correction because all the indicators as stochastic oscillator and Williams are showing neutral direction and prices are getting for some time, but they just inched over. So let's see whether this idea will plan out as we are anticipating. We were profitable, so $172 made. I was really tense here because we were so close. I couldn't just say anything else, so I waited for the last second. But yes, these were like close, intense trades. It happens at some consistency and we have to trade with them as well. And you see, we make money with this situation. Pretty good, right? But let's continue. Okay, traders, we have strong price action in euro against dollar. As you see, prices now are making U-turn and all indicators are showing bullish direction. Here, they are above major downchain line and closing above line in resistance line. So it actually could break resistance line here. So it was pretty good idea to open it because these are the moves which actually could turn into stronger price movements when we could see further breakouts there. But I wouldn't rush and tell you whether we will make it here, but I will see this on short-term time frame. How this will look, well, let's see and wait. $150 made. Okay, now we could wrap up this trade. I made 3 trades and we made $500 in profit. Actually, trade setups might look somewhat complicated because we had 4 indicators, but actually idea was really simple. For 80% we used on-chain channels and we used it either as direction, whether we were above or below the middle line or whether we were crossing support and resistance lines. So we made primary trades out of the on-chain channels and then we used rest of the indicators to simply confirm price move, and it worked great. But as you see, preparation was huge. We correctly chose the right markets, we chose the right time frames and trade duration and trade setups. And most importantly, we didn't risk much above 2% per each trade. And this was actually the most crucial thing here. Risk management was essential here and it made good return on our investment with relatively low risk. And this is how you should actually trade as a professional. Make money more than $500 in less than 10 minutes. Prepare for that before you start to trade so you have automatic trade openings and trade closes and have good risk management. And if you like this trade session, of course, subscribe to my channel, join me on my Telegram group and trade Pocket Options as your primary broker because everything you saw here was done with Pocket Options. They had good trade indicators, they had good trade executions and they allowed me to do this within short time frames. So this is the key. You have to have all these components at checks and Pocket Options have it. So thanks for watching this video. Join me and let's make money in another videos. Bye.